Who is this simpleton? I mean, simple guy. Simpleton. Who's happy with just an egg. Just an egg. Clean plate, clean fork. But no. My brother Steve's Camel lighter. Wow. I mistaked it for this one. I remember this one. This was Kenny's. A veteran that worked for me. Wow, no way. That's Steve's right there. Wow. You got this if you smoked a lot. Look at that. It's the same design case. Wow. Pretty cool, huh? You sent in box tops from cartons, and you had to send like 10 cartons of box tops, and you got one of them.